Are you creeping on me?
No.
Of course not.
Huh?
Of course not. So we went to a Wednesday afternoon auction, which is strange. We're only there like 2 hours, and that's locked, isn't it?
Yes. You didn't bring the key, did you?
What a dumbass.
It's a beautiful day, and it went down something like this. It's a lovely afternoon for an auction. A Wednesday afternoon.
My mom just called.
Oh,
I'm just here to work on my tan.
good. Yeah, I'm sure.
Hi. Good call. That one might be. I didn't realize that that was several pieces.
So we can't have anything nice.
Man. They have candles here.
They're all melted.
They're all melted.
I'm gonna work my way down and get a number. Do you want a separate? You want your own copy?
Yes, please.
Hey, Mikey.
How you doing?
Good.
Okay.
How you doing, Marcy?
Shame on you. I told him, like, as soon as I see him, I'm gonna yell at him.
You know, I knew you guys had your auction tonight. Yeah, I told him, I said, just for Marcy.
He did say that.
Yeah, well.
And you said,
There's 2 porta potties. You know it's serious.
exactly. Exactly.
That's big time.
Yeah, it was just a surprise when I didn't see the 45.
Not even doing your job.
There you go, junkie. You better call Nady Pie and tell him, hey, you gotta postpone.
I'm gonna tell him you said that though.
Yeah.
Citizen band radios. Black suede. I don't know if it's all Avon stuff, but a lot of it is. That's cool. Holy smokers.
Oh, like I said, you haven't even seen it. There's one wagon down there, just 90% of it's die-cast cars in the boxes. This one,
Oh my gosh.
it's a battery, you know, so motorized.
Is it radio controlled or just a back?
Just
Motorized car.
yeah. And these bring good money, or at least the last one we did, sold did. Oh, here. Put your tongue on there. You know, let me crank that baby up.
What is that?
It's those are magnetos. Right?
Oh, for an old car?
Yep.
I've never seen one like that. I usually see the wood box ones.
Yeah. There again. That's 12 of 249. So I didn't look, but I'm gonna guess this has this. You know, probably there was a COA somewhere at one time, I'm sure.
Yeah.
This one does have the COA.
Nice.
So, yeah, but this is the more important part of it.
Yep.
Because anybody can put that picture to it.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Now, who is this Reggie White guy?
Yeah,
You don't know him?
Never heard of him.
No, me either. Anything Pioneer? Or...
Three.
3 bottles.
4. There's one there, and Rose Bowl pennant and newspaper. And then you got Bart Star and Favre. You got that in? Yeah. Okay. Much more stuff in here.
Oh, wow.
That's what I say. buyers.
I don't know. Some of them for things like that they might.
Yeah.
Still going. See if it's hot.
Yeah. I want to say yes. Flasher. Just didn't know what your past, you know. How are you, Chuck?
Good. How are you?
Good. Go? Yeah, we're in. That's good.
Less people. Oh. Probably be less
My
people
fan.
down here too. There you go.
I would say
Is that your only fan?
Yes.
One time.
One time the man says, Troy, 10 and go again. You do that. 15. Bids at 10, 15, but you get $15 minute. 10 to 15, but you get $15 minute. 15, 20. At 20, Troy, we get $25 reseller. 25. Anybody else went in 25? Go ahead, Troy, at $20 a piece on buyer number what is it again? 58, wasn't it?
Yep.
5-8 buys one time again. You boys, we get 2, but you get 2.5 of having 2, but you get 2.5. All to go. All 3 boxes. One money. 2.5. 250, but you get 2.5 now. $5 be now. 5, but you get $5 be now. 2.5. 5. Anybody else at 5? So 2.5 on 6. 5 the buyer.
I maintain control. I bought very little. This young lady
La-ti-da.
has issues.
No, I just know what I'm doing.
She just knows what she's doing.
These are all brand new, still in the package. Maxwell. 60 minute.
There's more of them too, isn't there, somewhere?
Yeah. Like, yeah, they had a ton of media.
Excuse me while I whip this out.
Yeah, I don't know what's all in here.
Let's take a look. A lot of CDs.
It was, I think, $1 for the whole box.
Oh, a lot of homemade CDs. Man. There's a...
What is that?
like a Walkman.
Oh, it's an ion.
Oh, look. RCA. CD player, yeah.
Remember logging those around?
Kenny logging?
Yeah. What is that?
Going south, going country. CCR sticks.
Sticks. I bet nobody knew that. Johnny Cash.
Johnny Cash, Boston.
Eagle.
Nobody knew that those were in there.
Bob Seger. Oh.
Nitty Gritty Dirt Band.
Nitty Gritty Dirt Band.
Dang.
Wow Christmas. The Oak Ridge Boys. More Johnny Cash.
Well, Christmas is my favorite band.
It was worth a buck.
Box of classic car magazine.
That whole box was $1.
Entire $1. I got a box of British motoring. It's so cute they call it motoring.
Sounds fancy.
It does sound fancy. But I bought this tote for the manuals. The repair manuals always sell. Look at this. Pumping iron with this dude. This one's flipping heavy.
Well, I think it's all VHS.
Fast and the Furious. That was kind of a special movie. They should make a sequel to that someday. You get the idea. Lots of VHS.
Sometimes you can find out-of-print media in lots like that.
I'm not even sure what all's in this one. Oh, another midget repair manual.
Did you say he had a midget there?
Yeah, he had an MG midget.
Oh. I guess I didn't see the cars that were for sale.
Tuning carburetors. I actually have a friend who might need some of this stuff. Well, there's a Jeep one. Sprite midget. Chilton's manuals. I got a whole stack of hubcaps for $1. Here's a set of 4 for a Packard Clipper.
Those are just for a Chevy. Do you know for what?
No, I don't. But the way he is, maybe he...
Oh, yeah.
58 Chevy Impala.
Nice.
Oh, no.
Different ones.
These are different ones. I thought these were Corvette, actually, because of the 2 flags.
They look like it, yeah.
That says Impala. These... Sure, they're unmarked.
Oh, I'm surprised.
How much did we spend in total?
50.
$50.
Did you say 50 even?
Yeah, I think it was a little more. This was just a random $1 lot. I don't even know what all I got with it. I'm curious as to what this is. Oh, it's really fine, like sandpaper.
Sandpaper? Nice.
He did a lot of body work and stuff. Some kind of a bracket. This is actually a stock for like a weapon, a rifle. I don't know which one. Flare tool. Miscellaneous tools. Black and yellow ones are Stanley. I will find out if they have resale value. They came with some other tools I bought. Time for a breakfast break.
Because that's something I can find everywhere. Were you gonna say something? Oh. These just came. Oh, that's cute. The 25th anniversary.
You know what's funny? I just dug up some of those in the basement.
Oh, they're McDonald's. Yeah, I thought they looked familiar. I didn't want those. They came with this lot, and this is what I wanted. Izzy Suds mug. This is just another box of VHS. This is just more auto magazines. And this whole box was $1. Automobile. A FM radio kit from Radio Shack. This came in a lot that I paid $1 for. I don't think it's ever been opened. They were $1, but I wanted Larry Boy.
And the Great Root Bear.
Yeah, I didn't want the root beer.
Why?
I don't know. I wanted Larry Boy. This, I think, was $3 for the box.
That's another one I'm dying to dig into.
Yeah, there were a couple Sony Cyber Shots in there. So I thought, oh, okay, I'll try that. I don't know what else is in here. What's that?
That looks like
it's a TV. I don't know. There's a bunch of flip phones, too. I have no idea what any of that stuff is. That just came in a lot.
Well, this is a car charger, and I need another one.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we can go through that.
And then there's just more VHS movies. Look at, there's some... This hasn't even been opened. Daniel Boone. 50th anniversary. 3-pack. Of, what's his name? Nicolas Cage.
Nikolai.
Highway to Heaven, the complete series, DVD. All 5 seasons. This might be worth something.
It's sealed.
Yeah. Grizzly Adams. I used to love that show. But they were, I think, $2, or like one set was $1 and one was $2.
You got 2 DVD and 2 VHS?
Oh, is that what it is?
Looks like it.
Yeah. These are just more VHS. I wanted the Packer phone.
That's worth millions.
Because who doesn't want a Packer phone for $1? That came with this. It's a card payment terminal.
Sweet, I just listed some of those.
So that was $1. More VHS. And then these, gosh, how many were there? 8?
There's a lot of them. Well, some are cassette.
There's 8 of these.
Some are VHS.
So I paid $1 for all of them. Oh, they're sealed VHS blank ones.
Beauty.
Nobody was looking at them. Nobody wanted them. This was $1. This has a chip. A couple chips, I think. Yeah, put my glasses back on.
Oh, that's part of it.
Mushrooms are really hot right now. Kenny Rogers, the Beach Boys. The Eagles' Greatest Hits, Volume 2.
Wore that out in high
Bob
school.
Seger. Good Morning America. Donahue in 1979.
A bunch of new blanks again. Some used ones. That is pretty.
Yeah, I thought so. Nobody wanted it. I got it for $1. It's roses.
It's kind of a rose color.
Yeah,
I'd say.
it's a really light color.
These owls are...
There's a lot of glass in there.
That's that weird foamy stuff.
Yeah.
Is that home interior?
I think it is, but...
What are those 3 dogs?
they're just made in Japan.
Oh.
Bone China. They're connected.
Ooh, those are neat.
Aren't they cute?
Yeah, be careful with those too, I'd say.
Yeah. Are these audio books? I bet these are audio books.
It looks like it from the cases.
Okay.
Probably these look like they're on cassette.
Yeah. Those kind of like the Meads I thought I could use. I think it was $1 for the whole box.
That might actually resell. Let's see what to chuck by here. I'm not even sure. I only spent like $14 total. What's this?
I don't know.
Sorry, I saw something shiny.
I bought a lot of stuff, and I didn't know what it was.
That's kind of a neat case.
Yeah.
Packer Maniacs.
Veggie Tales.
Looney Tunes Christmas. More Bob Seger. Key lockers. I got some of those. Some scrapers.
That must have been the box that you bought.
Yeah. Spark plugs. That's violent. It's a tire puncture repair kit.
We need to keep that.
This is probably actually like 3 lots. I threw them. I consolidated into one box. I don't know what this is. Some kind of a locking binder or something. But I love these old wrenches. Lot them up and sell them. A lot of times with... Ooh, the Cadillac needs this. Sorry. A lot of times use flat rate shipping because they're heavier. So for 50 bucks, this, and this. Plus there's about 2 boxes we took inside. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk to you guys later. Oh!
I carried that sucker to the car.
You're a bad woman.
I am.
Marcy just tripped on the sidewalk and I missed it. Damn it.
Oh, no.
Keep your feet on the devil's neck.
Oh.
You trust me?
No.
Me too.
That is
A dirty dino.
a dirty dino.
I'm only here to serve. Shall we?
Eye candy.
I'm just here for eye candy. Why is it sticky? I don't know. It's sticky. Tuning BLs. Interesting. Wonder if it tunes BMs.
I knew you were going to say that.
You did not.
I did. I need an intervention.
Yes. I agree.
I don't know where I'm going to put any of this.